Hi guys, so welcome back to our 365 days Canva Design Challenge, and today is our day number 16. So in today's video, our topic will be about how to create your social media infographics and how it can help you strategize your content. So the reason why I wanted to tackle this topic is because there are like two purposes why we post online. It's either we post our personal thoughts, we educate people, or we entertain people. So, if you are in the business of educating people or simply just sharing infos in order to introduce your business, this is gonna be the perfect tutorial for you because um, this will be like for example, you have tips, you have routines, you have process, you have advice, you have statistics that you want to post, but you feel like it's boring to post it on social media. You need to back it up with a very informative picture where everything is summarized, even if people don't even like read the copy anymore or the captions. um, it's understood that um, you are providing it's understood that you're providing all the information summarized in one picture. So that's one of the very um, purpose of an infographics, right? So today, join me again for another fun editing of this graphic. So let's hop on to my screen. So as you can see, I just opened some templates here that I saw on Canva. So since there are like two types of infographics, the other one is a lot longer, which can be attached to your blogs and to your emails, to your websites. However, this one is specifically for social media. So that's why, as you can see, the size of our file is in square format. So let me walk you through what it looks like here. So as you can see here, you have this text here as the title, and you have a pictograph here and the statistics here as percentage, and you have a description here, and you have a resources here. And also, you have this company name here. So the layout is actually arranged to portray a certain study, or you want to support your captions with a detailed graphics to your infographics. So okay, one of the things that you can do is add a pictograph to your graphics. So all you have to do is go to element section and then type in pictograph, and you will see this icon here. So let me start from the beginning. Add that pictograph, and there you go. You can see different icons here on your left side. So if you have a certain amount of items, or you're trying to project something, you can just add it here. Let's say, for example, you have 25 items, and the highlighted filled items is around, let's say, 11. So it would automatically fill those parts. And also, what you can do is go here on the color in this color section, and you can actually change this colors according to the brand of your company. So one of the things that you need to remember when creating an infographics is that you have to make things simple, because there are a lot of going on there's a lot going on in the graphics that making it complicated doesn't help your infographics to stand out, because One of the purpose of infographics is that for your audience to read it. So you have to make sure that it is readable and you don't use more than one, or I mean the only maximum font style that maybe you can add is one or two font style, and then that's it. And then the only thing that you can separate one font style to the other is making sure that the emphasized words are bigger, or maybe they are in different colors. So you can just use those techniques when creating a graphic. So here, these are from the templates, by the way, of Canva. So you can just go to the templates and search for infographics, and you can find all of this ready-made infographics in Canva. So here's the challenge right now. I just copied this to a blog post on Google, and then what we're gonna do is design our own infographics. And yes, you can use templates and you can customize. So in this part of the video, I'm going to customize one for you guys, okay? So let's click on and open another file. So let's say I'm gonna add the title of my infographic. Okay. So let's okay. And as you can see, my colors are already here. So my brands, I'm gonna use my brands for this specific tutorial. So there you go. And then I'm gonna change its color based on my brand. So here, the title is what makes for a good social media tool. Well, let's say I'm going to change that to teal colors, and then I'm going to reduce the line spacing, and then a line left. So here, okay. What I can do is put a simple icon beside the title so that it's not too boring. So let me say tools. So I can just add this gear icon here. Okay. So I'm gonna use my other brand color, which is pink. Okay. Okay, there you go. And then the next thing is that I'm going to elaborate the tool, what the characteristics of a good social media tool, which is the following. It saves you time. So I'm gonna add this here. There you go. And then I'm gonna make sure it's not bold. There. Make this white. Okay. So, and then I'm just gonna copy the rest of the items. So now that we have all of this, what we can do is we can add icons here. So let's say I'm gonna add time here. There you go, it's time. And then brand, say brand. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Put that beside of the text. Easy to use, user friendly. Okay. 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 How do you easy to use? User friendly. There. Can add here affordable. So let me look for an icon for the affordable. Okay, there you go. Maybe we can just use this one. Wallet with a dollar sign for the affordable statement. And let's say organize. Organize. Okay. So we don't have much here, but hopefully this one. Maybe we can use this one. Okay. There you go. So the next thing I would add is maybe we can just move it here and then we can move the title like this. Then we can change the color. Maybe just one. And since we're talking about social media, we can add social media uh, social media icons maybe. So let's look for something here, there. So what I can do is maybe add let me go with the graphics section. Let me choose one. So there you go. Okay. So there are also a lot of animated pictures here that you can use. Like this. And then maybe you can just make it big. Okay. There. And maybe you can add your logo here. You have a logo. Let me try this one. Okay, let's say I'm gonna add this here. There you go. Frame here. So I'm just gonna add forward. There you go. So this is a sample of an infographic that we did. Though it doesn't have to be super complicated. It just have to be well researched and it's easy to read. Okay, that this video has been really helpful to you, and I would I would be really happy if you can start creating your own infographics as well. So thank you for listening to our tutorial day number 16, and see you again on the next day. Bye bye.